Hello everyone, welcome to the GATE and PTL lecture course. Today we are going to solve question number 42 from GATE 2023 exam. In this question, it was given that a particle of mass m is free to move on a frictionless horizontal two-dimension r theta plane and it is acted upon by a force minus k by 2r cube in the r cap direction, with k being a positive constant. If pr and p theta are the generalized momenta corresponding to r and theta respectively, then what is the value of dpr by dt, which is simply dr dot? So we have to calculate the value of pr dot and in terms of p thetas. So we already know that pr dot and p theta dot is terms in Hamiltonian. So we just write the Lagrangian and Hamiltonian, and from that we will calculate the value of p theta and r theta. And we are given the force in polar coordinate system since it is a central force. So what we do is we just change our xy coordinate to polar coordinates in which x is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. So our kinetic energy is given by 1 by 2 mx dot square plus y dot square will change into 1 by 2 m r dot square r square theta dot square. So this is our kinetic energy in polar coordinate system. And now this is the force that is given to us in the questions. And since central force is given by the expressions minus gradient of V vector, V is the potential energy. So in r cap direction, it is minus del V by del R. It is equals to minus kr cube. When we integrate it on both sides, we get our potential energy, which is minus k by 4r square. So our Hamiltonian, which is given by kinetic energy plus potential energy, is given by this expression. But we know that the Hamiltonian is always a functions of Pr and P theta instead of r dot and theta dot. So to change r dot and theta dot to P and Pr and P theta, we take in use of Lagrangian, which is kinetic energy minus potential energy. So this is our Lagrangian. We know that Pr is given by del r by del r dot, which is mr dot. From there, we get the value of r dot in terms of Pr. Similarly, P theta, which is given by del L by del theta, we get the value of theta dot, which is P theta by mr square. Now we replace r dot and theta dot into the expressions of Hamiltonian, and this will become our Hamiltonian. And now from the equations of motion, Pr dot is given by minus del H by del R. So we just differentiate our Hamiltonian with respect to R. This term does not contain any R, so this term will become 0. This term contains R square, so it will become P theta by mr cube. This term is also contain R square, so this becomes KR cube. And on simplification, this is our PR dot. Now we can just take the LCM to get the horizontal denominator coordinate as to mr cube. From there, we will get 2p theta square minus mk. So 2p theta square minus mk divided by 2 mr cube. So this is our correct options for the PR by dt, which is PR dot. So whenever we have to ask this type of question, we will solve it by this way. Thank you.